If productivity and entertainment on the go is what you are looking for, then we have the Lenovo Ideapad 32E15 laptop for you. The laptop is available in two color options, black and grey. The Lenovo logo sits in the top left corner of the lid and the rest of the lid has a matte finish. Lift the lid and you are greeted with a 15.6-inch HD-ready display. The Lenovo Ideapad 320E15 weighs 2.2 kilos. The laptop has a full-size island-style keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad. The power button is a part of the keyboard layout, giving it a seamless design. The layout of the keyboard is ideal for those that will spend a lot of time typing. The keyboard and trackpad are surrounded with a printed finish that does not extend onto the trackpad. The trackpad does not have dedicated left and right click buttons, but the left and right click are clearly marked with a separator. Moving to the connectivity options, on the left the laptop has the power socket, Ethernet port, HDMI out, two USB 3.0 ports, headphones and mic combo jack, one USB Type-C port and the SD card reader. The right of the device has a DVD drive and the Kensington lock. The Dolby powered speakers are integrated on the front edge bottom of the laptop. You have two speakers for a stereo immersive audio experience. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet, which gives the machine grip when kept on a table. The 2-cell battery promises up to 5 hours of runtime. That is enough juice to get work done or enjoy a couple of movies. The laptop works smoothly with productivity software like Photoshop, MS Office and more that lets you do design work, create documents, analyze spreadsheets and make stunning presentations. The laptop boasts of up to 2 TB hard drive, which is more than enough space to store your documents and movie library. The resolution of the 15.6-inch HD-ready display is 1366 by 768. The specifications of the laptop ensure ease of multitasking and the ability to have numerous tabs open on a browser. The laptop also has a webcam for your video conferencing needs. It comes with a 1-year subscription to McAfee LifeSafe to protect your PC, along with 1-year accidental damage protection. The Lenovo Ideapad 320E is available in Intel Core i3, i5 and i7 processor and AMD processor variants with the option of either 4GB or 8GB RAM. You also have the option of a dedicated 2GB graphics card on the machine. If you are on a budget and looking for a productivity-centric laptop with a large display and Dolby audio for watching movies and videos, then this Lenovo Ideapad 320E15 might be the machine for you.